What's up, YouTube? We're diving into something a little bit different today. From creepy gaming characters to mobile apps, what could go wrong? And now let's do our twist on Geometry Dash. What's up, YouTube? Let's turn this cute little robot guy into a CreepyPasta stylized character. But if you don't know, Geometry Dash is a mobile gaming app. It is a rhythm-based game. Kind of puts me in the mindset of Flappy Bird, if that kind of shows. But anyway, let's get to it, using the knife to get those legs in shape and some little bally dillies for his toe beans. We are blending them into his body. And by the way, we are using Super Sculpey Original for this project and Sculpey Ultralight underneath. We are using ball styluses everywhere to create his texture. Just go ham with it, poke it, prod it, squish it around until you think it looks great. This is honestly one of my favorite techniques to do when it comes to making creepy stuff like Siren Head, Demigorgons, SCPs in general. We are using translucent Sculpey for the claws, and we also use it for the teeth. I find that using translucent makes for a great texture. I have used red, black, and a little bit of Sculpey Original to create this color that we are using for his mouth. That way there we do not have to struggle during the painting process. Use the inners of the mouth. Now I am making his gums right now with some red snakes of clay, slapping a juicy little tongue in there. And as you see, we already lathered it with Bacon Bond or liquid clay adhesive with those translucent teeth going in like so. And of course we're adding some more flattened snakes of clay to create the lips to give it some more dimension, and just going to smooth that around after we get the both tops and bottom on. I seen this robot fella and I was like, I have got to turn that into something creepy on two legs. So here we are, having a lot of fun with this short, easy little project. I hope you are enjoying this. Here is a homemade texture tool where I took a glob of clay and just poked and prodded it and baked it, using some cabochons that I painted the back of them with metallic blue, and dropping some snakes of clay around the tops and bottom of the eyes. And once again, using that ball stylus and rubber shapers to give the texture. And there he is. Drop him in for the final bake, and now we're just going to paint him. I am using Folk Art matte acrylic paints. I'm using a dark gray with some black underneath, and lathering up the whole thing with that. Trying my best not to get it on his claws. And it's okay to use it on the eyes. We are dry brushing with a little bit more of the gray and just lathering on there and bringing out all those sweet details we made. We scratched the paint off the eyes because they are glass, so it's a no-brainer there. And a little bit of blue underneath there and on the legs. And here we are using UV resin. Just layering it on there to make the teeth look nasty and slick. And let's take that UV light and smash it. And I'd say we're done. And he is done! I turned Geometry Dash into a CreepyPasta. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already,
please consider subscribing.
And until next time, on to his glamour shot. Once again, if you made it this far, I got a pretty dope playlist right here and another sweet video you can watch right here. Until next time, you have a good one.